So we'll solve for number 15. So find dy over dx and simplify the result whenever possible. So for 15, e raised to the power of ln of 4x plus e raised to the power of ln of 4y is equals to 1. So take note that this identity e raised to the power of ln is just equals to 1. So we have just copy first. So we have just copy the sample problem. So we have equals to 1. So this one will be cancelled. This one will cancel. This one and this one will be cancelled. So the remaining will be 4x plus 4y is equals to 1. So we'll differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we have 4 plus 4y prime is equals to 0. So we have 4y prime is equals to 4. So negative 4. So we have y prime is equals to negative 4 all over 4. So y prime is equals to negative 1. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So y prime is equals to negative 1. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.